For some reason, LA doctors don't seem like doctors. They just seem like older people who used to be hot, who like want to be like dental techs or something. I don't know. Feels like they practice like cool medicine. Like what I thought, like they would work for what I thought Doctors Without Borders was. Like, thought Doctors Without Borders growing up was like reckless doctors. If they experimented. It's like a doctor who like comes into the room on a skateboard and he's like, "What's up, dude?" It's like a Matthew McConaughey doctor.